Ever found yourself juggling multiple business expenses, drowning in a sea of receipts, and dreading the monthly reconciliation? What if I told you there's a simpler, smarter way to manage your company's spending, a way that gives you back control and saves you precious time? That's where Tide's virtual and expense cards come in. They're a game changer for businesses of all sizes, and here's why. First up, let's talk about virtual cards. Think of them as disposable, digital debit cards. They're perfect for online subscriptions, one-off purchases from a new supplier, or even setting up specific budgets for marketing campaigns. The beauty of virtual cards is that they add an extra layer of security. If a card is ever compromised, you can simply delete it without affecting your main account. You can create up to 20 virtual cards, each linked to a specific category or project, giving you a clear, instant overview of where your money is going. Now, let's move on to expense cards. These are the physical cards you can issue to your team members. But they're not just any cards. You stay in complete control. You can set individual spending limits for each card, meaning John from sales can only spend up to his allocated budget on client dinners, and Sarah from marketing can only use her card for pre-approved ad spend. This isn't just about control, it's about visibility. Every time a team member makes a purchase, the transaction is instantly logged in your Tide account. No more waiting for expense reports at the end of the month. You can see who spent what, where, and when, all in real time. This makes it incredibly easy to track budgets and forecast future spending. So how do you get started? It's simple. If you have a Tide account, just head to the cards section in the app. From there, you can easily create and manage your virtual cards. To issue an expense card to a team member, you'll need to navigate to the team section, invite your colleague, and then you can issue them a physical card with their own custom spending rules. Using Tide's virtual and expense card streamlines your expense management, enhances security, and gives you the peace of mind that comes with complete financial control. It frees you up to focus on what really matters, growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.